Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project, a new podcast player built using a unique blend of Racket and Swift. It's called Podcatcher, and it's available now on the iOS App Store. Pretty exciting, right?
Absolutely. I'm hooked already. So, this developer, Bogdan, built a podcast player because his old one changed in ways he didn't like. That's relatable, isn't it? But the tech stack is what really grabs my attention. Racket and Swift? That's unusual.
Exactly. It's a really interesting choice. He's been using this combo for a while, and Podcatcher shows how effective it can be. The app boasts some impressive features. An equalizer that boosts voices, silence trimming, variable speed with pitch adjustment, and even a shower mode for extra loudness. All this, and it's free, ad-free, and privacy-respecting. Amazing!
Shower mode? Genius. So what's the trade-off for that extra loudness? Reduced quality, I presume?
You got it. It prioritizes loudness over fidelity in noisy environments. Smart. He also mentions that cross-device sync via iCloud is missing, and the UI is pretty basic. But he prefers that, and it's understandable, given his focus on functionality. He's planning to add a sleep timer, favorites, bookmarks, and a watch app in future updates.
I see. So it's a minimalist approach, prioritizing core functionality and user experience tailored to the developer's preferences. Interesting, Shrek. But the Racket and Swift combination? How does that even work?
That's where it gets really interesting. He uses a framework called Noise, which he also developed, to bridge the gap between the two languages. He's even added async support and Swift concurrency compatibility to Noise recently, maintaining backward compatibility. Impressive engineering!
Wow, that's impressive. So the backend is in Racket and the front end is in Swift? Or is it more intertwined than that?
It's a bit more nuanced than that. The article mentions a backend component written in Racket that handles podcast feed ingestion and push notifications. The core logic seems to be split between the two, leveraging the strengths of each language. The Swift part has only one external library dependency, while the Racket side uses several. It's a complex interplay, but clearly effective.
That's fascinating. And the code breakdown is pretty revealing. Around 6,400 lines of Swift and almost 5,000 lines of Racket. The Racket code is denser, though, due to its functional nature.
Exactly. And the project also led to several improvements in the Racket ecosystem itself. He lists several pull requests and commits to various libraries, addressing performance issues, OpenSSL compatibility, and handling of redirects, a true testament to open-source collaboration.
I love that. It's not just about building an app. It's about contributing back to the community. He's even considering open-sourcing the app itself.
Yeah, he's debating it, but it would be a fantastic contribution. Overall, this project is a great example of innovative app development, leveraging a unique tech stack and contributing back to the open-source community. A truly inspiring story.
Definitely. Thanks for sharing this insightful look into the world of podcast app development. It's been a pleasure discussing this.
My pleasure. And thank you for listening to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of podcasting and cross-language development. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.